Was it an elaborate prank, the sound of aliens, or something else? Those were some of the suggestions heard today as many Terrace residents awoke to a rather unearthly sound, which was heard around parts of the city at around 7:30 this morning. The sound lasted for roughly 10 minutes and was recorded by many people. This recording was submitted to us by Kimberly Wookey. Similar sounds have been reported all over the world in recent years, including in Russia, the United Kingdom, and the United States. Various explanations have been offered as to what might be causing the sounds. A physics professor at the University of Saskatchewan theorized that it's likely electromagnetic noise emitted from auroras and radiation belts.